Hello. Topic that we'll cover in this video and then we'll continue on in a second one. Negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 when x equals negative 2. Well, first thing to do is simply to substitute that negative 2 in where we see x. Because it's a negative, I'm going to put parens around it wherever it appears. That way I'm going to remember that x is this whole thing, this whole negative 2, and not just the 2. So I do it here as well as here. Notice all I've done here is substituted negative 2 for x. Alright, now it's simply a matter of figuring out what's negative 2 squared. That's the first thing that I would do because there's not really anything I can do inside these parens. Yes, parens comes first in PEMDAS, but there's nothing I can do inside here. So the next operation in the order of PEMDAS is exponents. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times negative 3 is 12. So I've got negative 3 times 4 minus 5 times negative 2 plus 7. As I say, that's negative 12. That's going to become positive 10. Negative 12 and positive 10, and I don't have anything that I have to do yet with the 7 because addition and subtraction come last. Now it's just a matter of cleaning these up. And you should come out with the answer of 5 for this string of 3 terms. I'm going to give you guys one to work on as the last thing we'll do in this video. Hit the pause button, and when you're ready, I'll show the answers to these. Okay, I'm going to assume that you've done that. Notice that what you'd actually been asked to do was to put 3 in whenever you saw x and 1 in whenever you saw y. So here I've written those out. 3 times 3 plus 1, 2 times 3 minus 1. And likewise down here. Well, 3 times 3 plus 1 becomes 10 across the top. 2 times 3 minus 1 becomes 5. You should have come up with 2 as your answer. For the second one, I've already shown you here how to write these out by substituting in. And I think I'll move left to right. So on the top I've got 2 cubed, on the bottom I've got 2. And you should end up from there finding out that the answer, the result, is 4. I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to have to continue it with an extra video.